Hi guys, in this videos we are going to be checking out the top 10 best fuel transfer tanks that are available on the market for the true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's start it with the video. Number 10. The Maliana Fuel Container. Alongside being a top-rank fuel transfer tank due to its large size and impressive features, the Maliana Fuel Container is also known for its sophisticated build. This gives it an impressive design that is uncommon to most fuel transfer tanks. In terms of size, this fuel transfer tank has a fair weight of 31 pounds and dimensions of 36 x 23.15 x 24.5 inches, so you should have no problem fitting it into your vehicle's trunk. The Maliana fuel container's features include air vent device, filling, plugs, fuel transfer units, handles, integrated forklift pockets, and integrated recesses. It is made up of high-quality linear polyethylene and is primarily for diesel keep. If you want to buy this product, please check link in the description below. Number 9. RDS Transfer Fuel Tank. The RDS Transfer Fuel Tank has a high score when it comes to easy carriage and durability. This is further backed by the fact that it is approved by the DOT, as this puts an official stamp on its high quality. The RDS transfer fuel tank is made up of high standard aluminum material, which means that it is safe for transporting diesel, gasoline, as well as aviation fuel. This tank also has additional features. That one is the locking gas cap, which is essential for any RV. Measurement-wise, the RDS transfer fuel tank has dimensions 19.2 x 13 x 56 inches. It also has a weight of 89 pounds, which is attributed to its aluminum makeup. Number 8. UWS Rectangular Transfer Tank. The UWS Rectangular Transfer Tank is a big performer when it comes to strength, with a weight of 89 pounds and dimensions 21 x 21 x 63 inches. It guarantees you an easy and safe transfer of your reserved gas. Also, it is accompanied with a warranty from its maker and is usable with different car and tank models. Interestingly, the UWS Rectangular Transfer Tank comes with massive 100-gallon capacity and has a baffle in it. It's suitable for both private and non-private transportation of fuel. Also, the UWS Rectangular Transfer Tank has a drain hole which ensures the excellent flow and further makes it comfortable to use. Number 7. DZDZ 91750 Square Transfer Tank. Aluminium. The DZ Square Transfer Tank has an excellent buildup of non-rusting tread aluminum. It has good external features which include a cap and a couple for the purpose of venting. In its design, the DZ Square Transfer Tank has a radius curve that takes away the weld pressure points from the tank, thereby increasing its safety score. This tank weighs 50 pounds, and this is quite impressive considering the tank's main body parts is made of aluminum. Its dimensions are 25 x 25 x 28 inches, which makes it easy to store in vehicle trunks. Ultimately, the DZ Square Transfer Tank is an excellent choice for private use. Number 6. DZ Long Rectangle Transfer Tank. It is not surprising that the DZ is turning up on our list of top 10 fuel transfer tanks for 2022 again. The manufacturer is known for several high-quality products, and this tank is one. DZ Long Rectangle Transfer Tank has a sleek look that is heightened by its black powder coating. The purpose of the coating is to reduce the tank's exposure to erosion, thereby increasing its durability. Also, the tank has a lockable cap that acts as an additional layer of coverage to ensure your gas is never exposed and you're always safe. Maintenance-wise, DZ also performed an excellent job with this transfer tank. The tank has a 0.375 inches drain hole which makes it easy to use. The DZ Long Rectangle Transfer Tank has a dimension of 59.5 x 9 x 19 and weighs 93 pounds. Number 5. DZ Narrow Rectangle Transfer Tank. The DZ Narrow Rectangle Tank is characterized by its skinny design. It comes with the dimensions 19 x 9 x 59.5 inches. The tank is made from tread aluminum, prevents it from rust. It has a radius curve that eliminates its weld pressure points, and it's designed to hold 38 gallons at once. From its skinny nature, it is apparent that the DZ Narrow Rectangle Tank has a fair weight which is 57 pounds. The tank is easy to transport, and it has a coupler and cap for the purpose of venting. The DZ Narrow Rectangle is recommended for private use. Number 4. Arxon Portable Gas Caddy Fuel Storage Tank. The Arxon Portable Gas Caddy Fuel Storage Tank is an uncommon type with a two-way rotary pump. It is built from steel and is capable for repeated use over several years. The tank can hold as much as 30 gallons at once and is easily transportable. Now, you might be bothered about the weight of this tank due to its metallic makeup. However, you'll rarely have to carry the Arxon portable gas caddy fuel storage tank as it has strong wheels for easy moving. It also comes with a clam and safety ground wire. The tank weighs 84 pounds and has a dimension of 31.5 times 15 times 15 inches. Number 3. Moeller Portable Fuel Tank. If you're on the lookout for a highly portable and easy-to-use fuel transfer tank, the Moeller Portable Fuel Tank is an excellent option to fit you. This tank has a small size with dimensions 14 times 14.5 times 23.2 inches. It can hold as much as 12 gallons and comes with an impressive dual self-venting cap. All of this tank's components are attached to its center body, thus making it easy to transport and keep. The Moeller Portable Fuel Tank is made up of polyethylene and is perfect for private use. Number 2. Mr. Gasket Fuel Transfer Pump Battery Operated. The Mr. Gasket Fuel Transfer Pump comes with unique ease of usage. It weighs just 1.2 pounds and can be used for vehicles and other types of equipment like lawnmowers and so on. This tank requires only 4 AA batteries, and it has a fascinating transfer rate of 3 gallons a minute. Of course, this is quite surprising considering its size. The Mr. Gasket Fuel Transfer Pump has an auto-stop nozzle that helps it to mitigate spilling. It is accompanied by varying types of adapters for efficient filling of tanks, and its hose is made to retain high flexibility. Number 1. Scepter Duramax Flow Angola Fluid Transfer Pump. The Scepter Duramax Flow Angola Fluid Transfer Pump is by far one of the top-selling and top-standard fuel transfer tanks available. The tank is made up of resin and rubber, which gives it high flexibility, sturdiness, and durability. It can be used for storing and transferring kerosene, diesel, and gasoline. In terms of usage, the Scepter Duramax Flow Angola Fluid Transfer Pump can transfer as much as 14 gallons of fuel. To ensure that no fuel is a loss in the transfer process, the tank is accompanied with a hand pump which puts an end to overfilling and spillage. Also, the Scepter Duramix Fluid Transfer Pump has a distinctly long hose which ensures easy usage. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to buy this product, please check in the description below.